Two ways to add a contact on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Now the first method is tap on the plus icon at the bottom right section. Now simply tap on new contact. Now tap on the first name and write the person name. Now tap on the phone number. Now type the phone number. Now once you type the phone number, simply tap on save. Now the next method is go back to the home screen and open up dialer on the device. Now simply tap on contacts and tap on create new contact. Now fill up the details, enter the first name. Now scroll down and tap on the phone number. Now type the phone number. Now simply tap on save once you're done. If you want to access that contact, go back to the WhatsApp. Now tap on the message icon and that contact should appear on this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.